There he comes. Oh, that's a good picture. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, here we go. Lorenzo, you gonna eat the eye, buddy?
I won't even fit in my mouth.
No, not the whole thing. The ball inside.
Oh, I'll eat the ball.
Oh yeah, you gotta eat the eyeball, bro. You gotta eat the eyeball before a swordfish. Look, he's thick.
Yeah, look
He's
at his
thick.
tail.
He's thick.
Look at
Oh
that.
my goodness.
Look at that. Dang.
Oh yeah.
Bright purple when we brought it up.
He was green. He kind of just went off.
So far they've been pretty good.
What's that, Dankos? Yeah? All right. Asiel's gonna show us how to do this.
We're gonna learn today.
We're gonna learn together. I wanna learn. See how we roll with this. It's a big boy.
It's funky. I don't know. Probably not.
Sharp knife.
No, no. Tan nuevo paquete.
Yeah, we need new knives, Lorenzo.
Oh, I want to see what it's in there.
That's the
No,
stomach?
that-
Okay. This is always the funnest part. Look, Asiel goes right for the stomach. Let's see what he ate. Oh! Oh!
Nothing but squid.
Just squid. Just squid. Little guy, too.
Empty belly.
Empty belly. He was hungry.
He was hungry.
He was hungry.
Tenía hambre.
Tenía hambre.
Estaba fachado.
Here when it's
Got it.
pumpkin.
All right. Yeah, I think first thing I've learned is we need to upgrade our knives before I ever do this on my own.
When are we ever going to do this?
Well, yeah, that just cut right through that thing
Like butter.
yeah. Goes right along the ribs, right along the backbone.
No meat is going to be left behind.
Nothing left behind.
Try not
A lot of mouths to feed.
to. Yeah.
Right, Lorenzo?
Yeah.
And you got stuff in your hair. What you got in your hair?
Probably swordfish guts.
Swordfish guts in your hair? Fantastic. Oh, you're the ceviche fan, huh? She's the one that likes the ceviche?
Yeah.
You like ceviche? Yeah. Yeah? Well, he had ceviche for the first time today. He loved it. He loved it. Look at that
Dang.
thickness.
Oh.
So you're just cutting along the rib cage.
On the spine, yeah.
Waste not, want not, folks. So now make a cut down the middle.
Wow. That was amazing.
Oh yeah, yeah. Our knife doesn't do that. Our knife doesn't do that. Oh my gosh. It's cut right through.
Thanks.
Uh-huh. Mucho carne.
Hey.
Wow.
Okay.
That was good.
Yeah.
That works. That's just one, like.
That's a quarter.
That's a quarter.
1/4. All right, and we cut around the backbone. And go in through the top.
I love it. They have a designated table just for cutting swordfish.
Yeah, man. Well, that's what we should buy for Mommy for her birthday. We should buy her a table and take one of her old ones.
Yeah.
Just set it
Oh
up.
no.
Ceviche.
There it is.
Oh my gosh.
Number 2. Ooh, careful. Cuidado, cuidado.
It feels like 49.
59.
59.
It's not bad.
59 inches. Okay. Not bad.
How many inches was yours, Dad?
I might have been mistaken. Skull mount?
Yeah.
We'll try.
I'm putting that thing in my room.
We'll see. We'll see what mommy says.
Oh, yeah. Like that? Or
Yeah, the
hombros.
Yeah.
the oeso.
El hueso.
Oeso.
Oh, if you would like that and you you 1 kilo, you.
Yeah. Oh yeah. In about 2 days, she'd be like, "What is going on?"
Así que. Toma, ponlo.
Wow.
Rip the integument off. There you go.
My friend, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
All right, you got it. Okay, the meat is gone.
Vamos a dar un fregadero.
That's a steak or two right there.
Yeah, we saved that one too.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
Is that the liver?
Yep. That's the liver.
Dude.
That's exactly what that is.
I don't think so. That's the liver over there.
Yeah, this one's the liver.
Everything's together.
There it goes. Yep.
And then there was just
And then there was a head. Yeah, even that's going in.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of meat there.
Even on the head right here.
Yeah, there's a lot of meat in there. Wow.
Oh my gosh, that is.
Yep. Look at that. It's a big chunk.
That's just the tail. Like a
Wow. There is not a lot left on that thing, man. I said, oh boy, you're pro. Your daddy's a pro.
Remember we use this
Huh?
for soup.
Oh, really?
That's it.
Yep. A lot of lime.
So you cannot have any blood on the fish ceviche.
No blood for the ceviche.
Shouldn't.
Okay, so you're just gonna take chunks.
Yeah, so you have a nice clean piece of meat and you just do it in little chunks.
Little chunks like that. Okay. And what's the recipe? So you take these chunks,
Just send it to me.
You gotta get it.
Put
You
a
gotta
bunch-
dip it in lime a lot.
so like take a little Tupperware with lime, like a whole bunch of lime juice,
Yeah.
and just put them all in there.
¿Cuántos
Okay.
limones tú sabes? Como 30, ¿no? Yeah. And he uses like 30 limes.
30
30
limes.
limes?
Okay.
He uses a lot, but he does like a big batch.
So it's got to be underneath the lime juice.
Underneath.
Yeah.
That's the best.
It's got to be soaking totally.
Yeah.
And so then what else? You put some salt,
Salt, pepper,
Onions.
onion, red onion,
red onions, and you just raw, right?
raw. Yep.
And cilantro.
Cilantro.
Okay. And then you just put it all in the same
Everything together. and then
everything
mix it.
together, and then put it in the refrigerator for
Yeah.
a day.
The longer, the better.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
2-3 days.
2-3 days.
She eat it last night and 2 hours and a half she off.
Okay.
Yeah, they're ready quick.
Okay.
As soon as you see the meat like turn white
Yep.
with the lime juice,
Yep. You know it's ready.
it's ready.
And so and that's actually cooked, right? The lime cooks it.
The lime cooks it.
Got it.
Now we cut it and I leave it ready like to grill or whatever we want to do with it.
Yep.
So you leave it like that.
Just little pieces like that,
And
and
when
it's
you-
just got a little piece of skin on it.
Yeah, when you grill it or when you do it in the wherever you want to do it, this thing literally peels
It
off.
just peels right off. Okay. So you don't have to worry about skinning it.
Yeah.
Good.
Unless if you want to skin it like right there, you just
Okay. No. If it works like that,
yeah, for
it
sure.
works.
If you're gonna fry it or whatever, then
Yeah.
yeah. Then
So you're making it like about an inch thick?
more or less.
About an inch?
Yep. About an inch.
Okay.
It's a fine.
¿Cuál? Cut it. You want me to cut it for you, or you want to take it like that?
Got it.
No, even this right here.
Yeah, you can scrape that off when you're cutting it.
Okay, so that just scrapes off?
Yeah. See that, all that slime?
All the integrity.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, scrape it off.
Okay. And so that's all we need to do, right? Is just cut it in slices and that's it.
This longer ends, your fillet is gonna be longer,
Yeah.
but you can still do it.
Same thing. Okay. Beautiful.
Just whenever if you do a ceviche or whatever, you gotta make sure you take out all the blood out of it.
Okay.
You don't want to eat it with the blood.
No blood on ceviche. Well, we're gonna try ceviche with the mahi for sure.
Oh, the mine.
For sure.
Right.
Yeah, already looked it up.
But this makes good ceviche?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow, thank you so much.
For sure.